Yes, my dear, let's go play. I'm right here. To the garden, yes, let's go. Hand in hand now, nice and slow. Grandpa and me, we laugh and sing, exploring wonders the day will bring. Side by side we dance and play. Grandpa makes it a special day. Grandpa, what's that there? That's a flower, red and fair. Can I pick it if you please? Smell the fragrance on the breeze. Grandpa and me, we laugh and sing, discovering joys in everything. Step by step we learn and play. Grandpa brightens up my day. Grandpa, look, a swing. Higher, higher, let's both sing. Up to the sky, we touch the clouds, laughing softly, not too loud. Stories, lessons, games, and fun. Grandpa's love is number one. Every moment that we share shows me how much you truly care. Grandpa, sun's going down. Time for home now, yes, my own. Will you carry me on my back? Off we go down the winding track. Grandpa and me, we laugh and sing, cherishing memories of everything. Hand in hand we make our way. Grandpa ends my perfect day. Grandpa, yes, my dear, thank you for a day of cheer. Sleeping now, close your eyes, dream of stars in the sky.